So guys, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some new wheels for my truck. And right now, I'm actually in a snowstorm, so I don't have my camera. I'm just using my phone. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. Yeah, so we're gonna pick these up, and we'll see how it looks. The freeway is not really too bad. It's like the main roads, like the normal roads off the freeway. It is pretty freaking bad out. It's pretty much iced over right now, but the truck is pretty good in snow. It's just my wheels have so much offset where, like, right now it's pulling to the side of the road, so it's a little annoying, but it's a price to pay to have offset wheels, I guess. And I'm actually gonna buy some more ones, some more offset wheels right now, a little bit more of an offset, and you guys will see what they are in a little bit. It's a surprise. They're pretty crazy actually story behind it, so we'll get into it. Usually Michigan drivers are pretty good though in the snow, to be honest with you. Like, not really too many. I mean, there's the retarded in general, Michigan drivers are pretty bad, but in the snow, they're everyone's pretty cautious. It's pretty good actually, so it's not bad. And I have to get over, but he is in the lane, so we're gonna kind of just do this. Yeah, I'm just worried. The only thing I worry about when I'm driving in snowy conditions is people stopping behind me, because people don't want to stop, and people who can't ride in a lane. Like, I don't know. Fucking, I guess hold on. Yeah, so basically, I'm just sitting here waiting for him to pull up, and yeah, I'm just waiting, guys. Buddy Jake. Oh boys, finally getting the forest life in here. I'm excited, boys. I'm loading up. So we're at the RM headquarters. We're at the RM headquarters right now. Colin got a new bike. Rob's over there doing something.
Got a new bike. What up?
What up? Fucking rooftop right here. The Foresters are sweet. They're giving me shit. They said I should have paid less, but
They're pretty good,
yeah. There it is. I'm excited for him. Polishing video coming soon. Buford got this bike, and he is fixing it, and he's probably gonna flip it. I'm guessing he's gonna keep it for a little bit though. But 450, 2004. I thought it was my old bike at first, but it isn't. So it is, man, dude.
Fucking Scotty goggles with her.
You got him with him? What?
Free boys. Check them out. Check them out. See? Check out that fucking foam there.
Look at that.
Mint.
Mint. So we just got them back. I actually bought these off my my buddy who parts out trucks and shit. And basically, this was a completely burnt down Chevy 2500 with adapters. So these are 8x170, my truck lug, which is sick. But the truck was completely burnt down, and there was Forces on it. And I was like, yo, hit them up. And 2 of them were good. One was completely burnt and it was just fucking smashed into. It was smashed, right? The thing was just done, total. The wheel was gone on one of them, and then one of them is like has like residue of smoke and burn on, like smoke and fire on it, but it's fine. You can be sanded off. So, you ever heard of someone saying, "One man's trash is another one's treasure"? Well, I know what these are worth, and I know these aren't in that bad of condition. So, they're gonna look bad though, right? You see them. So I know these don't look that bad actually, especially for what I paid. These are 22x14, -70 offset, I think. I believe they're American Force shields. I'm not 100%, but that's what they look like to be. Now this one over here, same thing. This needs a polish. You can kind of see, you can feel it. This looks like it just hasn't been polished in a long time. Now, we get to this one. Now, you're like, yo, it's black. Why is this thing black? Well, what the hell? Flash on so you see a little better. You can see kind of all this shit down here. This is all, it was just burned on here. So basically, either way, I had to polish and sand these wheels, all of them, and they'll look shiny and brand new. Because Forged wheels are just, this is bare aluminum. So you basically, I can just polish all this crud off. Nothing's melted, the wheels aren't melted. The only thing that's fucked up is the hubcap actually melted. So I'm not worried about it. I believe I can get this back in shape. If not, I'm an idiot, but I'm almost 9% positive. This is gonna be like 90% when I'm done with it. So, there's an update. I got some new wheels and tires. This is definitely a project, and I want to show you guys that you can get nice, expensive $4,000 wheels for like $900. So, the most expensive thing in this whole thing I'm doing is I have to buy a brand new wheel. I had to buy one wheel by itself, which is like $800. So, other than that though, here we go, boys. We got fucking Forces. What? We got Forces on the Platinum now. Cool too, because I can use my same exact tire, which I'm hyped about. So, sick. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, click that notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos. The lights turned off. That means I gotta go inside. Peace out, boys.